Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a storyboard in Canva. This is a great way to plan videos, presentations, or creative projects visually and stay organized. Let's get started on the Canva dashboard. To create a storyboard, we just need to select templates on the left side of the dashboard. From there, we simply type in Storyboard. We will then see different storyboard options to choose from. Let's go with this workout storyboard. We just click on it to open it. Now we already have a storyboard ready to use. All we need to do is edit the text, the images, and the title. For example, we can set the title to Daily, as shown here. We can then adjust the rest of the content to match our needs. Once everything looks good, we can download or save our storyboard. And that's how we create a storyboard in Canva. With this simple method, we can easily map out our ideas and bring our projects to life.